Hello makeup lover and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, my name is Malene and I am a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain. And for today's two different looks, I used the old holiday palette. I'm going to show you the palette here. The old holiday palette from Pat McGrath. It's a Mothership Subliminal Dark Star. For some people, it's very old. For me, it's kind of new because I bought it secondhand. And normally I say to people, don't just focus on the new things you got. Also use the old and think about sometimes when you get an old thing, it can be new for you. So this is my new old palette that I'm going to show you two different looks with. So if you want to see how I did these two different looks, please hang in there and I will show you. Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. It will be awesome to have you join. Now, let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? I'm going to use the Entice as a highlighter, because that's the lightest shade in the palette. Dip my Blender Pro into the deep shade or deep space. Now I suddenly don't remember what it's called. It's a gray bluish color, very, very special. I only put on a little bit because I was afraid it was going to be too much, but obviously I did not get enough color on my brush. Dipped into deep space once again. This time you can see I got a little bit more, so I'm just going to work with this. Third layer. If you see a little bit of shimmer here, it's probably because when I got this palette, I bought it secondhand. When I got it, the golden shade was completely shattered all over the place, and I had to try and press it back into the pan. And yeah, it worked, but there is a lot of gold, like in every shade there is. So I cannot get this. Well, I cannot say never, but right now I can't seem to get this be just like the matte shade it is. Going into dark matter, the black shadow, and I'm using my mini booster from Sonia G. And I'm putting this color in my crease to deepen it up. And then going down on my mobile eyelid. Dip my Builder Pro into Metropolis. It's like an aubergine or eggplant kind of color. It's super beautiful. I haven't seen this in any of Pat McGrath palettes ever. And that goes for the deep space also. I'm going to put on a little bit of the, let me see here what it's called, Intensifies, to amp up the next color I'm going to use, because it's a metallic, beautiful shade. And the next color is the Interstellar. It's a bluish purple kind of color. And I don't know if you remember, but there was a quad, I think it was called Interstellar Icon or something like that. It had a blue that was kind of similar to this. It had a shift into purple, but it's not the exact same color, I think. I did my flat definer into the deep space. And I'm just gonna, well, actually it was just a tip. And I'm gonna place that, I'm gonna use it as an eyeliner on my lower lashes here, as you can see. Dip the tip of the brush into the Interstellar color, and I'm just going to place that here on the inner third of my lower part here of the lash line. And just to say that I used all 6 colors in the palette, I'm going to use Enraptured, the Ruptured Gold from the palette here in the inner corner. Back with some mascara, and I actually also put on a little bit of black kohl in the inner rim of the upper eyelid. I'm now gonna put on some false lashes. Back with some false lashes, and this is what it looks like. I'm now gonna go on to the next eye. I was thinking, why not use the colors in another way than I normally use? So I dipped my mini booster into the Interstellar, and I'm going to put that directly here in my crease in my eye socket. I did not prime my eyes. I only have on the Pat McGrath Labs foundation in the color Light Medium 8. I am just blending it out here and making it more see-through, more transparent here, going up. It really is a super pretty shade. Wow. I did a twirling movement with my mini booster into the same color. I just want to concentrate the color a little bit more here, close to my crease or in my crease socket, eye socket here. Dip my Builder Pro into Entice, because this is the lightest color. I'm going to put that on my eyelid here, all over the mobile eyelid. I'm sorry if you can hear my neighbors arguing. Life in Spain, you know. Dip my flat definer brush into the Interstellar, and I'm going to use that as the eyeliner under my eyes here. With my flat definer brush, I dip the tip into the Interstellar, and I'm going to use that as an eyeliner. No, sorry, I said Interstellar, of course. I dipped it into the Metropolis, the darker eggplant kind of shade. So we have like a softer eyeliner rather than going into a liquid winged liner. I'm just going to use this. Back with some mascara on, and this is what it looks like so far. It's a very soft look, and the Interstellar blue purple shade, it feels super lightweight. It looks like lightweight. I think it's very beautiful. Now I'm going to go off cam and put on some false eyelashes. Back with some eyelashes, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna do a full face of makeup and get right back to you so you can see what these two different looks look like with a full face of makeup. this is it. This is what it looks like with a full face of makeup. I am now going to put on my glasses so you can see what it looks like with glasses on. And this is it. On my cheeks, I am wearing the orangey kind of color from the Bridgerton 2 collection, the blush palette. And as a highlighting shade, I actually used the highlighter from the same palette. It's the one with the baked shades. And on my lips, I'm wearing the Opulence lip gloss in the color Lavendaring. I didn't want to go out there with a strong color when we have these dark colors on the lids, well, on one lid. But this is it. So if you like this look or this video in general, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And lastly, of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, I want to thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and I wish you an awesome day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.